Hello and welcome to my Week 8 signature assignment. We're going to have a short discussion on what it takes to do live streaming, focusing on the instructors as they move from the traditional brick and mortar classroom into the electronic learning environment. Many people these days have personal electronic devices such as mobile phones where we share information, search for information. We may search for information and receive it related to a learning environment such as we are in this course. The instructor is responsible for the personal development of the student, the knowledge, the learning, the training, the coaching. The student is also at the same time responsible for everything the instructor is, just in a little bit different format. Here we have a picture of a very old classroom with the old desk, wood floors, chalkboard, writing surface in the back for the instructor to write information related to the lesson. Now we are using electronic devices such as cameras to record information and visuals related to the lesson and be able to share that with students also in the same classroom or at distant locations around the world. Student may be using a laptop. And again, you can see this student is learning. He's sitting out at his garden patio, and his dog is apparently enjoying the lesson with him. The audio from these types of lessons can be broadcast separately from the video. In this case, it would be a podcast. Many schools around the world now have computers and monitors available for their students to use as a learning tool, not only in the English-speaking world, but as we can see in the Russian and other non-English speaking countries. Here we have a student using a tablet, reading some information related to some learning lesson they are doing. Here we have a very old chalkboard, not very useful these days. Now we are using a large electronic displays to convey that same information and also static and dynamic information, not only for the students in the learning area, but this can also be simultaneously broadcast to remote learning students around the world. Virtual reality classes bring a sense of realism, especially to learning which is normally hands-on practical. And when the course is over, you can relax and have a little bit of fun. Thank you for listening today. Have a nice day.